Welcome to the Padaku Panda podcast. Today we have a really fun topic. We are talking about Ekta Kapoor. So what happened is we realized that Ekta Kapoor might out Disney at being Disney. And this realization actually comes in the end when we play a really fun game. So hang around and let's start this podcast. And trust me, this is going to be a really fun ride. So what's cool is that Soumya is an animator and so am I. I don't know why. Why am I doubtful?
It's like, wait.
No,
Wait,
I
yes.
am not. There is no doubt in that.
Am I so like yeah? Anyway, so what's cool is that when you're looking to create animated characters, right? We look at certain constraints you put on them, certain rules they have to follow, so that it gives their shape, the color scheme they use, how their body moves. They have an action that defines them. Like these are all things we take seriously into account, especially when we're creating animated characters, because you want, first of all, in the lowest amount of time, to be able to convey so much more, right?
And the entire character has to come across. Like, you have to have no doubts about how this character is like, which is why it's obviously so hard to portray grey characters. Because that involves like such intense, I guess,
I think
give and take with writers and, like all that.
so. I
is
think
there.
first of all, think about like this. Okay, so Disney essentially started making characters for kids,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So most of the rules initially stem from that. Kids, like that's the overall general kids and family friendly content, right? So what they realize is, okay, you need to be able to very quickly perceive who the antagonist is, who the people are, be able to have a quick read
Yeah.
without having to give too much backstory, right? Now the point is, weirdly enough, these things translate really well directly into Ekta Kapoor series, right?
Absolutely.
All her characters, right, follow this Disney pattern. So they're like, first of all, of course, normally when you talk about film and television, right, you think about acting, core acting, the actors have certain quirks or something they develop based on their backstory. Like it is relevant to the characters based on where they came from, but since they're real human beings, they have more complexity, right? They don't have traits.
Correct.
Whereas we look at Ekta Kapoor series, and in its own right, when you look at it, why do people find funny or intriguing? Like, no matter what you see Ekta Kapoor characters, you remember who they are, and you remember their movements, and you remember literally they have certain poses.
Their poses, their appearance, their background music, like, their theme song or
song.
whatever.
So the thing is, what I'd like to point out is, so when we say pose, we don't mean what do you call, like how they are normally standing, but they're like, even her characters that are chosen have signature poses, in the sense that they have one fixed body language
Yeah.
trait
Correct.
which they will use over and over again.
So just to give an example, if you remember Komolika's character, which was this iconic, Komolika had a hair twirl.
Yeah.
Correct.
She used to always twirl her hair. Like
Correct.
that became.
So as a matter of fact, today if I'm talking to someone, I'm like, "Arey, who's that character?" And if I just do the action of twirling the hair,
Yeah.
invariably everybody will say Kamolika.
Everyone thinks of that character.
Yeah, and that is an animation trait.
Yeah,
like these are things we used in
absolutely.
animation. Like we have animated characters have quirks or traits. Like they're short or stubby, always wear certain kind of clothes, right?
Yeah.
Or certain type of clothes. Like for example, I don't know which Cartoon Network show do you remember, or which is like your favorite cartoon show?
Like
Any show.
Cartoon, I think Johnny Bravo for
Yeah.
Great,
example.
Yeah.
fair. Johnny Bravo is amazing
It's
character.
the best example actually that you could have picked up, because like he's always doing a particular number of poses.
Yeah.
He's always wearing the same clothes, which is a normal cartoon thing, which is also stemming from the fact that they don't really want to draw anything else, which is I understand. I deeply understand.
Animators are not lazy. It's very tough. It's hard. It's
I remember Johnny Bravo because of his move only.
Yeah.
He's got a dance step called Do the Monkey.
Yeah,
Just
this-
this.
correct. Yeah.
You do this,
This
and
is
everyone.
even the Johnny
Johnny
Bravo.
Bravo.
Exactly.
Yeah, clear.
Correct. And that's exactly that. I'm saying, and all of her characters, all of it. So here's the thing. So essentially, what I think is that Ekta Kapoor produces cartoons for adults.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like they actually follow the same format you would actually create for a children's show, like a cartoon or this thing, like the plots. See, if you actually take away, like if I had to do, say, computer programming, right, onto, say, an Ekta Kapoor show, the essential conflicts that are taking place are like you can take any episode and change it with a different conflict and turn into a kids show. Change the conflict, turns into adult show, right? Kid show, मुझे खाना टाइम पे नहीं मिला. Adult show, उसने उसके साथ cheating किया. You know what I mean? Like it is change the conflict, but that's pretty much it. मम्मी ने मुझे गलत lunch दिया, you know, right? Is like a conflict in a kid show, and now like, oh no, and you change it up to the next this thing, and it is now किसी ने मेरे jewelry switch कर दिया. Oh my god,
और
plot
like,
intensifies.
food context, बीवी ने खाना खाली डब्बा भेजा.
हाँ, correct.
Like something like that.
और like कुकर मेरा सोडे में कौन था?
I don't think that's a Balaji thing, was it?
No, I don't think
It's
it is.
not, but it's essentially the conflict that
But-
people bring up.
But I'm saying like how Disney created the formula
Yeah.
that has now become standard for almost all animated films. Like it is now considered the standard. All the
That's
rules
Yeah.
Disney set for character creation became the baseline for everything else. And now what Ekta Kapoor has done, or what Balaji has done in terms of creating this template.
Yes.
So they have actually templatized their entire process, you know, in the sense that I don't know if they have a formalized template or not.
It's probably.
But I think they
it's
would have by
probably
this
it.
point.
See, because like it works both ways, right? Like if you actually think about, really think about, or even on the surface think about what you think of when you think of a princess.
There's a lot of things, man.
I know.
Oh, I completely got
wish-
lost. I
wish
completely.
I had not thought so much.
Like princess was just like what?
Oh, wait. You're basically your sentence was think,
And then princess. I'm like, okay.
So,
Okay, but what do you guys think of immediately when I say princess, right?
Correct.
And that is something that has happened because of Disney.
Correct.
Yeah.
It's you can't ignore that fact that they have even taken a normal word that is not applicable to any character and they have made it their own.
agreed.
Which is essentially what Ekta Kapoor has done. If you think of the word vamp, who do you think of or what do you think of? Is
Correct.
that Ekta Kapoor character?
Yeah.
Correct.
Because what else fits in that bracket?
Yeah, and even that character is so clearly defined. Like
Yeah.
the image comes in, makeup is all of the same color, like eyeshadow, lipstick, same color.
And it's always
Massive bindi.
excessive. It's always
The massive
exaggerated.
bindi was a huge trend for Komolika.
Correct.
And the other thing that is these cut blouses because they were scandalous and like only like bad or like evil
Right.
women used to wear them.
Because
so that
everyone
was
else was like all bars
Bars.
were in full
Yeah.
blouses.
Correct.
Then all the protagonist ladies were in half like bush shirt type blouses, right? And everybody else like basically the more evil you are, the less clothes you have on.
true.
Which is unfortunately also what everybody thinks in the society, and I don't know if these are interchangeable. Like,
So-
is it
so-
happening because of Ekta Kapoor or is it Ekta Kapoor happening because of this?
I was thinking about it that what are these shows really about? Like what any of these shows, whether you go towards like what Alt Balaji is doing. I don't know, for those who don't know what Alt Balaji is, it is like their online portal where they do even edgier stuff, quote unquote. Edgier means like they can make out,
Have sex.
X, yes. So like because the internet has freed us, and what we do with that freedom is sexual content.
Correct, because
Yeah.
what else would you do?
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing. It's not like there are points to be made in this great country,
Yeah.
right? What's
The moment
possibly
someone
wrong
stops
here?
my sex content, I'm like,
Like,
balls.
yeah.
Nothing is left for.
See, the point is that it is like it's Alt Balaji was taking the same formula. Like I said, this formula, it went from, say, if Disney is the formulaic form for kids, then TV was for other people. They used the same formula and went like, let's use it for
Adult
adolescents,
content.
new
Yeah.
adolescents. So basically,
Yeah.
they said, okay, so how do we get young people onto the platform?
Okay.
And they said, yeah, let's just add more sexual content. And it's true though. Like for example, nowhere else was there like Indian sexuality being showcased. I mean, it's one thing that Alt Balaji is doing it, but of all places. But yeah, wow, so many more messed up kids. Hana, because apparently. So anyway, so all the characters, right, have certain like features attached to it, right?
Yeah.
Like for example, if you're confused about your sexuality, you're also very loud. Like
Yeah.
there are these connections that have been made, right? And it's very weird that how there are certain connections that now have become standard, almost like industry
It
practice
is
in character
essentially
creation.
creating a stereotype plus a trope. That is what it is, and she has been doing this for years.
But here's the thing, I think what Balaji, whatever this entity, what do we call it? Ekta Kapoor? But that's not correct anymore.
No.
Balaji only.
Balaji, yeah.
Which is weird because Balaji is the name of a god. So I feel like it's like saying, so Jesus. So the Jesus organization was responsible for this really explicit content. It just doesn't sound right. You know, like really, if it's so weird. Balaji is a legit important Indian god. Like there's Tirupati Balaji, and all Balaji is doing this, and nobody has an issue. Otherwise, these guys burn down shit at the drop of a hat. Yeah, but
It takes nothing, no trigger also. The trigger barely happened, like the trr happened.
Yeah.
And it happened.
Dude, I was one of our films got selected at Film Bazaar, right? And there was another film that was part of the quote top 20 films. Yes, our film was one of the top 20. It was so
Humble brag.
humble. No, as a matter of fact, it was so artistic. It hasn't even been released yet. It was so good, so good. Nobody will take it. So anyway, where was I? So we were there, right? And one of these films had monkeys in it, right? And the whole plot was how monkeys are a big pest in Delhi.
Okay.
And this relationship with this guy who got a job, and his job is to keep the monkeys away from the government building. That's a legit job there.
Okay.
That's hilarious.
That's nice.
Amazing. I was like, great. And how he hits a monkey, and then the monkey gets hurt, and then he's feeling horrible.
Yeah.
And that's how the film progresses. They got flack for that film because say monkey god
Yeah.
कि हनुमान को
हनुमान।
insult
और ये
कर सकते।
बालाजी को किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
It's Balaji, like it's all Balaji.
They are not even saying monkey or something. They're saying Balaji only.
Yeah, they're saying Balaji. They're saying directly. It's
Mera desh,
and wait, so
mera desh,
let me
mera
clear the sentence. Okay, so
desh.
the sentence is like Alt Balaji has produced a series like Gandhi Bath. So I'm just saying it's bizarre. Nobody really like it's interesting how nobody has an issue with this.
So you know what? Let's coin like how all her serials have an abbreviation. We will call Balaji Telefilms BT.
BT. Fair
BT.
enough.
Let's address it as BT.
The BT universe.
Universe.
It's true.
Yeah.
It is a BT.
Exactly. It's perfect.
It's
great.
perfect. Yes. I like great. If you take anything else from this podcast, you can always now refer to the
Balaji Telefilms universe.
as the BT,
BT universe.
BT universe.
There we go.
Alt BT. Alternative BT. Best.
Perfect. Le bus.
Best.
Best है ये.
Best. Alt BT.
Alt BT.
Alt BT.
I think we
BT.
can wrap up now.
Yeah, great. I was just thinking, we can literally make an app. You can make an app like, turn yourself into an Ekta Kapoor character.
Yeah.
Absolutely,
I'm
because
sure that-
it is an algorithm.
but
She
doesn't-
just picks up like stuff
which
and like puts it together.
Is there which Ekta
Kapoor character you? Oh, I'm sure.
BuzzFeed quiz.
No, it doesn't exist. I'm sorry.
Damn.
DM. Hey guys, can we make one? Is it possible to make one? Can you make one?
Make a quiz, but where do you want to put it? Like, where do you
In the links. Let
Yeah.
all 8 people know that.
All of you can find out which Ekta Kapoor character you
With,
are.
Yeah.
with hashtag alt BT.
And
All
you
BT. which BT universe character are you?
Nice.
Or which all BT universe
Nice,
character?
nice.
Yeah, we should be able to do that.
Okay, before like anything else, I thought it'd be fun if we had a little game. Ramanujan versus Anurag. If you guys are willing to play. The game is I will describe a character or a plot and you have to guess if it's Disney or Ekta Kapoor.
Hey, love this.
Nice.
So,
Who's we keep score, I guess.
yeah, I guess, yeah.
Speaking of which, I did find a quiz which is a journey through Kasauti making, and the questions themselves are so mind-boggling. This podcast, you can.
Wait. So, just before we play your game, throw me a question.
How many women does Anurag Basu get married to throughout the serial?
What?
You know, let's guess.
It's more than 2.
Options.
Wait,
Before the options.
Before the options, there's some discussion to be had here.
Oh yes.
Wow.
Wait,
I would guess at least 2, right? At least 2. There's
See,
no way this question exists otherwise.
2 I know who also.
One is Kamolika.
And one is Prerna.
Correct.
But
who else?
Anurag Basu dies, doesn't he?
I don't
He dies at some point in
I
that.
should interject that 2 is not an option.
There we go. I did say at least
At
two
least
though.
two.
I did say at least
Two
two.
that we know of.
Okay, fine. Hit us with the options.
Options: A 4, B 1, C 0, D
Oh.
3.
Do you think he died after he married
See,
Kamolika?
it's not. It's not 1 and 0. So binary options are out.
Wait, now I'm confused.
Yeah, because see,
It's a trick question,
I
though.
do think that he
Think
dies.
It's not 1 and 0.
See, it can't be 0.
It can be 0.
It's not 0 because
Ek
we
shaadi
know
to
that
hoi hai.
one shadi happened because of some sort of compromise. Ki
Yeah.
if you get married to her only, then this will happen or some shit like that.
Yeah.
But probably Kamolika only blackmailing him, which makes sense to me.
Correct.
But okay, so we are using logic to solve this question. we have
If Kamolika is equal to not wife,
Yeah.
but if
one is
Kamolika,
Kamolika for sure.
One is Kamalika.
But I'm not sure if he dies after
but
that.
Anurag's love interest equal true, then Kamolika
Huh.
equal to negative love interest. I don't know. I don't know.
I don't think I don't think he ever was interested in Kamolika. Was he?
I have no idea.
No
Wait, answer is 4.
4, okay.
I say 4. Let's just
4.
go ahead with it.
I'm saying 1.
I also think 1 because I think he dies after that.
Correct.
Anurag Senior takes this one.
4!
4!
Wow, dude.
You
Who
guys.
all did he get married to?
I swear there is no name.
We just discussed the plot lines and how these shows work.
No,
How
no.
could you think it would not be 4?
I literally thought he dies and that makes
See, this
sense
is why,
to me.
That's why you have to use logic here. Okay? See, if you input the variables properly in a like environmental
The first thing was binary numbers are out.
binary number out.
0 and 9.
The thing is, see, you can. That's why I was so good at multiple choice in school, man. I killed it. I sucked. So that's why my entrance exam scores are great. 'Cause I was like by elimination only.
By elimination also used to not work. I used to do the calculation and my option was never in the option. So what do I do with
The
that?
closest
Simple.
option.
No, नहीं होता था वो. It's like the options are all whole numbers and my thing is minus 9 point something. मतलब हो ही नहीं सकता.
My god.
Oh, dude, I remember. That face is my Pikachu face in the exam. You go, huh?
This will never come in the exam. Comes in the exam, huh?
Oh, next question.
Yes, next question.
Who was Mr. Balaji's first wife? Who created trouble for him because they weren't divorced when he married Prerna?
Oh, who? I don't know. Check.
Options are Cookie, Komolika, Aparna, Menka.
Oh, wait, so I tell you what, it's not Kamolika.
It's not Kamolika.
Oh, the
Because
other
she would
names?
never have an issue with him not being divorced.
Again, other names, please.
Cookie, Aparna, Menka.
See, Cookie won't work because. See,
Everyone else's names are pretty solid names. So Cookie
Correct.
doesn't feel like a
So I
name that
feel-
fits into this
yeah.
universe.
Yeah, exactly. So again, let's just use the template and maybe we'll find our way to the character. So Cookie won't work because Cookie just not intimidating enough.
Yeah.
Right? What are
Not
the other
ampy enough.
Yeah, correct. And it's not like who's problem. Oh, Cookie ने मेरे life को खराब कर दिया. It just doesn't work. Doesn't have the strength in it. What are the other two names? Hit it.
Aparna and
Menka.
Menka.
Wow.
It could be
Menka, I
either.
don't know why.
Okay, let's
I'm
go.
gonna go with Aparna.
Cool. You and I go with Aparna. What's it?
So I'm gonna select Aparna.
It's
Menka.
Oh
You're
shit!
right.
Making a comeback. Comeback is on.
But we brought it down very logically.
We
Again,
did.
logic
We did.
and see logic.
This
works.
was logic, yeah.
Yeah.
You
This was
okay with
true.
logic?
High logic.
High logic.
I
Yeah.
gave my point to Anna.
I see 1 point.
Yeah. Yes, logics.
मेरे को भी दे दो
But
यार.
you know what, man? If anything we have learned from these questions is how templatized it is.
Yeah.
We are working off a template and working our way to the answers. Going to show that it is freaking formulaic. It is legit. Is whoa, guys. Imagine this. If you could do an Ekta Kapoor textbook, like a textbook has the template in it, and then we have multiple choice questions.
It's literally
based-
just algorithm after algorithm after algorithm after algorithm where everything has
Hey,
worked.
don't call her cold-hearted algorithm,
I'm
dude.
sorry.
Sorry, soulless
I'm
algorithm.
sorry.
So
This is good at it.
My
Soulless.
bad.
we could imagine this, man. What if instead of us having to watch all Ekta Kapoor and all BT Universe things, we give it to an algorithm.
Like
कि
all
भाई तू देख.
scripts or all the shows,
हाँ,
just
तू
take
देख,
this.
bro.
Yeah.
हाँ, कि तू देख. And we let this poor, algorithm do all the hard work and watch it. I wonder if it could then be able to create any show.
I'm sure it could. I am
definitely.
super sure it could.
Yeah,
Like
but
it makes
it's highly
sense.
templatized. Hey man, if we do this, we can actually sell it to BT so they can fire their writing team.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Cost
then
effective.
This
yeah,
has everything.
Yeah, we'll make it serialized. You can there are various so basically there's a form that opens up. Which show you want to do today, right?
Input
choose
variables.
Input variables. Exactly. Here, choose target audience, 18-year-old. Probable options. What do you want to show about? School, college, work, cooking, anything. Just Addiction. Click. Then other character profiles come up. Which profile you want? You click. Probable names. Menka. So if you
आजकल कौन से नाम चल रहे हैं? आर्यन, कबीर.
yeah. Which and then the algorithm already is scanning through everyone's Facebook profiles and says which are the faces that get the most hits. So it actually auto generates these faces. I have a feeling this would happen.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is going to happen.
could, yeah.
I call this, man.
Definitely
This sounds.
I'm
very
sure
doable.
already.
I wish this sounded science fictiony, but all of that I'm saying is doable.
And it's
There is
happening
some-
right now. It's not like it's not happening.
Yeah. Next version, and then in the end you just click simulate.
It's
Yeah.
done.
Done.
The script निकल कर
Dude, show निकलेगा because क्या?
show ही बना दो best.
Show बना दो. It has seen all the shows, so it can replace faces, create faces.
nice. Deepfake भी use करके
Yeah.
कर ले.
Deep fake
आराम
नहीं, this is
से.
deep real. Yeah, because see, deep fake is taking somebody else's fake.
Yeah.
Deep real is making a face
It's making
Yeah.
a face.
from real faces.
Wow.
Fati teri?
Dude. This podcast is going places.
I'm telling you. Only unique stuff. From Padaku Panda. We ain't into that all generic stuff.
Nope.
You watch this, you will be like, these guys have something. I don't know.
इनके इधर issues
If
हैं.
Done. Whoa, man. Whoa,
If any Ekta Kapoor employees are listening,
Hey, dude, you know what?
from our 8 people,
Dude.
4 people are working for Ekta Kapoor.
Hey, dude, you're laughing now. Suddenly on All Balaji, there is a show about a podcast about 3 fucked up people and how, 2 of them are related.
Oh,
and,
God.
the ex-lover is the camera person.
And the ex-lover has to be in the picture.
Yeah, it has to be. And there's like conflict. I only work with people I date wala scene. Wow. It's true. It seems like they're just, the pool of human beings is so tiny.
Yeah.
And that's the only real conflict you can have.
If they work out that simulation, they won't get any of these kind of people now.
Correct. You know what, man?
Truman Show ka next level.
I want to get to your quiz. Ask us questions.
Yeah, please,
Now
let's
that
do
we have
this.
had like, such a good primer with all these things, go ahead.
Let's do this.
Okay,
Hit
so
it.
I'll repeat the premise again. I'm gonna hit you guys with like a plot or a character description. You have to guess if it's Ekta Kapoor or Disney.
Got it.
Alright?
Is it like a buzzer or is it going to go round by round?
Actually, there are 4 questions, so let's make it a buzzer because it's giving you an option to
Correct.
actually tie. So,
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
a lady from a humble background bumps into a guy from a rich household. Over the course of time, they fall in love, and she constantly is improving his life and improving him. Yes,
Disney Beauty and the Beast.
it could be, but it was not what I thought of.
No, I'll go take Ekta Kapoor.
Okay, so I had thought of Ekta Kapoor, but it's so eerily similar to Disney Beauty and the Beast, which is why I put this thing right
That's
here.
cool.
There's no way you can figure out what it is.
but
This can be a premise for so many Ekta Kapoor shows.
But which show did you actually target?
So this is basically Tulsi. She was from she was the Pandit's daughter.
Correct.
Yeah.
And his marriage was actually set up with some rich person, but he fell in love with her, and she was part of his house and changed everything.
Wow, so Tulsi and Beauty and the Beast. Wow, that's good. This is great. I
Yeah,
love it.
actually good, yeah.
This is actually showing how close they are. You made the point really well. Wow, that's so smart.
So next one. So this one actually probably doesn't go to anyone because you answered after him. So it's a buzzer. So 0 points all around. A lady with high insecurities cannot get over the fact that a younger, prettier woman is coming to take her place.
Maleficent, Disney.
Correct. But it could also be Kahi Kisi Rose's sass.
Whoa.
Oh.
But I'll give it to you because I thought of Snow White. So,
Oh, but he said Maleficent.
yeah. I mean, Snow White.
Snow White, yeah. Huh.
It's just so
Wow,
eerie.
dude, like this is such a good exercise. Like, next.
The third one. A man sets out on a journey to find a beautiful girl he met once, who he is convinced is his soulmate.
See, because it has a journey, I feel it is Disney. Because I don't see an Ekta Kapoor show putting that kind of effort. Like, because journey, नहीं, 2-3 set में जो हो सकता है चलेगा.
Okay, so I actually thought of an Ekta Kapoor show called Kavyanjali,
Whoa!
where the
I'm
dude's
so
name
wrong.
is Kavya, and he is finding his Anjali because he met her once. And he dies somewhere along the way. Because this actually was a Sun TV show, and it was made into Hindi also.
Correct.
But it did really well in the South. And she decided to
South?
use... Yeah, like, because it
No,
was
saying,
very
Sun
prevalent.
TV कहाँ का है मधु?
Tamil Nadu.
Chennai.
Tamil
Tamil Nadu. Say
Tamil.
Tamil Nadu. Yeah, Tamil Nadu, not South. We are not going to be using that trope.
I mean, yeah, okay.
It's not a easy South.
Okay, Tamil Nadu. But yeah, it was very popular, so they decided to make a Hindi version. So in the Hindi version, basically the show goes on where she's trying to find out who murdered him and all the ruckus that comes out after that. But yeah, that's what I was thinking about.
I was proved totally wrong.
Wrong, yeah.
Like because I was like, yeah, it's such a Disney movie.
But it could also apply to Cinderella, right?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it could, yeah.
Because he met her only
Yeah,
once
and then
he
yeah.
tries to find her.
That's why I thought it would be, but wow, yeah, this is super tough. This is
It's
way
not
tough.
easy. And
Really difficult.
Whoa,
literally
this
the
is-
only person winning is Ekta Kapoor.
Yeah. Wow, this is so difficult. Unlike the other quiz, because where you could sort of get to the answer, because wow. Okay, next.
The last and final question. You guys are at 0 points each. Expected. A family consisting of a dad and his daughters' lives are turned around when one of the sisters falls in love with a man very different from them.
Ekta Kapoor.
When you said dad and daughter, मेरे को humpa आया.
But
But
Ekta
उसमें
Kapoor.
sister का कुछ है नहीं.
The Ekta Kapoor.
So I thought of Ekta Kapoor. So I'll give you that point. So it's like one each. But it also applies to Little Mermaid. It also applies to
Correct. Damn it! It's Little Mermaid ka plot, yeah.
Yeah.
It's wild how
It was
similar
wild.
these
It's
plots
wild.
are.
It's wild. It really is wild.
Yeah.
But then exactly, it is using that template and just using adult themes. It literally is that.
Using adult themes, using like Indian context, using
Correct.
like either or, like or that is using our context. Matlab same
Wow.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that this is really good. This is wow. I couldn't. Wow, it's amazing. Now, I mean, this is what we are discussing, right?
Yeah.
But the fact is,
They are interchangeable.
Yeah.
It's a formula. It can be interchangeable. The plots can be put here and there. The characters can be from here and there. Everything can fit.
so
in.
essentially, if you think about it, Ekta Kapoor is like a programmer.
Yeah.
She's she's not really making the show, right? It's like I don't know. Content programming. Oh, of course, it's called programming. Wow, I'm such an idiot. It is called
And
programming.
they also called it software, which is something I
Oh,
realized
yeah.
when we were doing the research.
Now that software
Part makes sense. Oh my god, it took
Yeah.
this entire podcast for us to
Yeah,
figure out why
yeah.
they were using the word software.
Wow, it's TV programming. Yeah. There's a reason now I get why they call it programming.
Programming.
Yeah, and it's called a program also. What?
Basically, output देख रहे हो.
Yeah. Basically, the conclusion of this episode is hum hi hai gandu.
Oh my god, damn it.
Dude, this is nice.
Yeah, because wow. I always wonder why they call it a program. Yeah. And then you're programming. Oh wow. So many coin drops happened, man. Wow, I never really thought it through. Now I'm like, okay, so essentially, so it's true. In India is good with tech companies. We are good at programming. Balaji Telefilms, Ekta Kapoor, all of them, they are a Indian company, also good at programming. So they make really good programs. Oh wow, it's wow.
See, my think
And hence-
sentence
hence-
was like a build up to this program sentence. See,
wow,
that makes sense.
intense. Wow, great. Wow, it's gonna take a while for me to like just deal with this revelation. I was not. Yeah.
process it. देखो ये हुआ.
Oh wow.
This is the world we live in now. It has changed.
So now it makes sense. Of course. No wonder it's templatized. An algorithm can figure it out. It makes sense. Hey, what if there is no Ekta? It's just an AI.
No, Ekta exists. Ekta exists.
Yeah, but I'm just saying.
Unfortunately, a lot of people have had to deal with her.
No, but what if? Here's the thing. Like.
Oh, that she was taking the credit for this AI.
No.
work.
Imagine. I mean, that I don't know if that is true. But what I'm saying is, what makes more sense is that going forward, the future. So now Balaji Telefilms right now like very person-centric. Like all the stories, everything. Like the main controller factor is Ekta Kapoor. How about they create like Ekta Kapoor version, 2.0, which is now an AI, which has now learned all of this and can now guide Balaji Telefilms into the future. Wow. But that is possible because if you think all of this is templatized and programmable, then you can definitely create an AI. That can be. Yeah.
Wow.
So imagine a future where content is just controlled by this one
AI
entity,
god.
AI god, which explains the mythos. And there's already a mythos behind Ekta Kapoor, so it's very possible that immortality might be within her reach. Hey man, I think we have really. Even I was like, बहुत हो गया. मैं नहीं कर सकता. बस हो गया. चलो. Hey, you made to the end of the video /podcast/ now you are a certified, intelligent, crazy, awesome person, and we love you.
If you like our content, please follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, Padaku Panda, and all our content is available on Spotify, Google Podcasts, and Apple Podcasts.
Wow, man, that means you can find us anywhere.
Also, if they don't want to see our beautiful faces.
How can you even say that? But yeah, if you just want to hear the podcast, it is on almost every platform that we could find. We're like, yellow, sab sunega. Matlab, if you feel like it, of course. But I feel that if you made it so far, you definitely are gonna like this content.
So please subscribe and hit the bell button.
The belly button. Yeah, that's what. It needs guts to be around here. And I like you because you're that one person who's still wondering, hey, video kab khatam hoga? Because that's why this channel was made. For people like you who ask the deeper questions. Kids, what happens once the video is over? Now the question you should be asking is, what is even real? Like, do I exist? Does this video exist? On what screen are you even watching this on? Like, does a world really exist beyond the screen? क्या है? पता है क्या है ये सब? Did you know that orange?
And then it just rolls into the next episode.
Yeah, something. Wait. Hey guys, people are watching, okay? That person is still watching. What are you gonna do? What? Ashish, don't cut the camera. God damn it, I am talking.